Hi, I'm Stacy Clan, Director of Development and Alumni Relations and a parent here at Harrisburg Academy. I can say with pride that it is a privilege to work at the Academy and to have my son enrolled here as well. This year, our office replaced Laps for Learning with a new initiative called Feed the Need. This school-wide fundraiser not only helped Harrisburg Academy raise funds for technology, arts and music, scholarships, athletics, faculty, and innovation, but a portion of the funds raised helped Harrisburg Academy provide healthy meals for hungry children in our community and abroad. At our meal packing event, nearly 200 volunteers came out to help, and the energy in the Lewis Lehrman Gymnasium was electric and contagious. Hour after hour, their excitement never waned, and the opportunity to help others was a driving force in keeping up the motivation to pack 10,000 meals in just 4 hours. This event was an extraordinary opportunity for Harrisburg Academy students to not only raise funds for their school, but also to be a part of a significant give-back experience. Working together in this way, we help the students develop a greater sense of gratitude and appreciation for what they have and grow in the sensitivity for those who have less. We are so thankful that Harrisburg Academy could be a part of something that will impact lives and have a ripple effect through our school, our community, and across the world. Together, we raised over $75,000 from this event through corporate contributions and through the generosity of our Academy families. Our individual families raised nearly $30,000 of that total. Thank you to the Central Pennsylvania Food Bank for partnering with us on this important initiative. Special thanks to our corporate sponsors, Northwest Bank, JDK Catering, Penn Live and the Patriot-News, Comprehensive Financial Services, Giant Food Stores, PA Pension Planners, and UPMC Pinnacle. And thank you to our families. This event was so successful because of their passion and engagement. This was such a proud moment for Harrisburg Academy.